Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to our daily financial outlook. Stay with us for more market headlines.
The euro gained 0.5% against the dollar in the last session. The stochastic RSI is giving a positive signal. The dollar-yen pair made a minor downwards correction in the last session, dropping 0.1%. The RSI is giving a positive signal. The pound rose 0.9% against the dollar in the last trading session. The Williams indicator is giving a positive signal. The Aussie dollar pair traded sideways in the last session. The RSI is giving a negative signal.
Coming up, our chief analyst's choices for today.
Shares fell in Asia after Wall Street benchmarks closed out their worst week since early December. US futures edged higher while oil prices fell. Bitcoin keeps pushing for a bullish end to February as the monthly close starts another week's price action. The largest cryptocurrency looks set to preserve its gains as it closes the second month of 2023 and keeps bulls' hopes alive. BMW is set to be the first big European car maker to take the hydrogen plunge and go into production by the end of the decade on a fuel cell zero-emission passenger car. Up to 100 BMW iX5 hydrogen SUVs are being built at a research facility at the German car company's headquarters in Munich.
Those were today's major economic events, and now moving on to world financial headlines.
The US S&P Case-Shiller Home Price Indices will be released at 1400 hours GMT. The US Chicago Purchasing Managers Index at 1445 GMT. Australia's retail sales at 0000 hours and 30 minutes GMT. Japan's construction orders will be released at 0500 hours GMT. The Dutch retail sales at 0530 GMT. Japan's annualized housing starts at 0500 hours GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Tuesday's financial report. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.